is the aftermath of the blizzard of 2016. See, I got a giant snowdrift on my steps here, all over my deck. I gotta dig this out before I can get down the sidewalk. Alright, I got the path to the car dug out. See all the snow. There's the bucket garden buried. Big old snowdrift on this fence over there. It's not easy digging. Well, I got that far. You can see the mountain of snow at the end of the driveway. You can see how high it is on the mailbox over there. It's a pretty good workout. There's a big pile there. That marker right there was under the snow. And there was a snowdrift. That snowdrift went all the way across this driveway. It was almost as high as the pile there. If you look in the back a little bit, it's the tip of the snowdrift. Got a lot to do. Yeah, it's got the car dug out. Got the mailbox dug out. You can see the drift up near the house. Got a big drift up on the carport up there. Got a little one on the edge. See, it's all drifted up in the yards. It's a lot of snow today, or yesterday and the day before it started. Yeah, whole load of snow. Just finished digging. So far, so good. I'm back around the back here. Give you another point of view here. And it's just all full of snow. There's a nice little drift right there. There's the garden back there, full of snow. Yeah, there's the old brush pile I'm trying to burn, but the weather's not cooperating. Alright, this is just a 2016 blizzard report here from the garden pit. We'll see y'all later. See ya!